So we have solved three questions in this graphically. First one was 2x minus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Okay. And we got intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. All right. What was the solution of this? Let me just check. I think it was 2 comma 1, right? 3 comma 1. One solution, intersecting lines, and it will have this two straight lines will have one solution, and the solution was 3 comma 1. Okay. Now in the next problem we have solved this. X plus 2y is equal to 30, 2x plus 4y is equal to 66, and we got parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines. And how many solutions are there for parallel lines? Parallel lines will have no solution, right? No solution. Why? Because these two lines will never intersect each other. The point of intersection of the two lines will be a solution, right? So here the points are intersecting at this point, so it will have one solution. The lines are intersecting at one point, right? So one solution. The lines are not intersecting at all, so no solution. In the third problem, x plus y is equal to 2, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4, we had two coincident lines. Two lines were lying on each other, right? So such lines are called as coincident lines. How many solutions were there? Each and every point which is lying on first line will also lie on the second line, right? So that means these two lines are touching infinite times, right? So it will have infinite solutions. These two equations will have infinite solutions. Okay, what did we learn? We have learned that when we are drawing two lines, we'll come across three cases. What are those three cases? The lines can be like this, intersecting lines. Okay, how many solutions? One solution, or you can say unique solution. Okay, second case can be the lines will be parallel. Okay, how many solutions? No solutions at all. Third case, coincident lines. Okay, how many solutions? Infinite solutions. Okay, so these are the three cases. Apart from these three cases, we'll not have any other case. Okay, intersecting lines, unique solution. Parallel lines, no solution. Coincident lines, infinite solutions. Now what are consistent and inconsistency? Consistent means consistent lines and inconsistent lines will be there. What are consistent lines? Consistent lines means the lines which will have at least one solution are called as consistent lines. For example, here, how many solutions are there? One solution for intersecting. So is it consistent? See, consistent means what? It should have at least one solution, one or many solutions, right? Yes. So is this are the intersecting lines are consistent lines? Yes. Consistent lines, right? Okay. Parallel lines, they will have no solutions. So inconsistent lines will have no solution at all, not even a single solution. Okay. So parallel lines are inconsistent lines. Okay. Third one, coincident lines. Tell me whether these are consistent or inconsistent. What is inconsistent? Should not have one solution also, right? Consistent lines, either one or many solutions, right? So infinite, there are infinite solutions here. That means coincident lines are also consistent lines. All right. So we'll have three cases: intersecting lines, one solution, consistent lines. Parallel lines, no solutions, inconsistent lines. Intersecting lines, coincident lines, infinite solutions, and consistent lines. Okay.